In order to assemble the unit, start with screwing together all 3 poles. Then put one of the screws through the base and into the pole. Then proceed to tighten. Then use the key to open up the dispenser. Proceed to gently take out the refillable bottle and put 4 size C batteries into the unit. Then, using the provided nuts, screws, and screwdriver, attach the back holder to the dispenser. Once it is screwed into place, you can place it onto the stand and put in the top screw. Finally, you can open up the dispenser, place in the refillable bottle, fill it with sanitizer, attach the drip catcher, turn the unit on, and it is ready for use.